Hi kids, let's meet the farm animals. Let's go.
Hey, it's a horse. It's a cow. It's a pig. It's a sheep. It's an ox. It's a donkey. It's a goat. It's a llama. It's a turkey. It's a duck. It's a goose. It's a chicken. Thank you for watching, kids. See you next episode. Bye.